What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, I'm back with DWP, Digital Wealth Pros. I want to give you guys a quick update, but before I give you the update, let's talk about this program real quick. Okay, I've made numerous videos on this program. I think it's an awesome system. I like that they have the call center. Okay, I love that idea because I'm busy. I have other projects that I'm working, and with this program I don't have to worry about answering the calls. I don't have to worry about answering questions, any of the stuff that I normally do with my affiliate programs. Okay, the link is in the description. Go check it out, www.earnwithpandora.com. okay, so that takes a load off of me, and I just can imagine for people that's busy, you're working, you're doing whatever you're doing, you're not having to worry about answering your phone to answer questions, okay, which is fine. But for me, this is just another program I don't have to worry about, okay, because I have other ones that I'm promoting. So that helps me out a great deal. Not to mention, this program offers you the ability to earn $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions. I like that it's low ticket, mid ticket, then it goes up to high ticket. So they have something for everybody. Okay, for the folks that say, hey, I just want to go high ticket, I want to be able to sell the $1,500 product and make as many of those sales as I can. It's people that only focus on high ticket. So we have that covered. Then we have people that say, look, I only have $300, I can get in, I'm ready to get started. So you got that level, $297. Then you have the mid-ticket folks that say, well, I got about $500. That's all I've got today, but I want to start an online business. We got that covered. Okay, so we got a level and affordability for everybody. That's what I like about this system. One system, 4 income streams, okay? But on top of the 4 income streams, because you got 4 products, in between that, you got people that's going to upgrade. You're going to get that money. When someone goes from one product to the next product, they come in at $200, then they decide, well, hey, I want to buy the $400 product. You're going to make that money, the difference. If you're positioned, okay, I'm all in at the $1,500 level. So if somebody comes at $200 and then they start promoting that $400 product, they make $200, I make $200. That's $200 that's going to fall in my lap, okay, because that person's not positioned to receive the 100% commission, all of it. Then you get the person that's at the $400 that decides, you know what, I think I want to go all in too. So they're going to pay, okay, to go up to the $1,500 level. So all those commissions, all that money is going to just fall right in your lap, guys. So you have your upgrades that you're going to get paid. You get your direct sales. You have your upgrades. Then you're going to have the roll-ups. Okay? The roll-ups, which is what I just talked about. When those folks that's not qualified, that money rolls up to you. Okay? So this is a great system to get started with, whether you're a newbie or an advanced, doesn't matter. This program is for everybody, okay? Because again, you've got the call center that's going to answer all the questions for you, okay? And they're waiting to take your call. All you got to do, your job is to be an affiliate marketer, to promote, okay? And they have a back office. They have a full marketing system. Now I'm using a third-party system, which when you go to that link, www.earnwithpandora.com, it's going to take you to the system that I'm using, which is the one we're on right now. I like this one because it explains this program very well. You have this little 7-minute video. Then there's a presentation, okay, that really goes into detail, 19 minutes, okay? Then you have the back office video. Okay, this way you can kind of get an idea. Well, what is this really like? They walk you through the back office, so you get a sneak peek of that. Okay, then if you have further questions, you just call this 800 number, leave your name, your number, okay, and let them know, hey, I've got questions, I'm ready to get started, please call me back. That's all you need to say. Give them the ID that referred you. They will call you back. Okay, 800-232-2109. My ID is 442-896-34. Okay, and I've shown you guys payment proof that this thing works. We had a payment came in a few days ago. I'll show you that again. Okay, I'm not going to show the person's information for privacy protection, but right here you see the $400 came in to me, and that person specified is for DWP when they sent that payment over. Okay, so that's what I received from the payment processor that they selected. Then I also received an email from Digital Wealth Pros. Guys, you're going to receive an email from Digital Wealth Pros when they're on the phone talking to your prospects. You're going to receive another email if the person decides to sign up. So you will be notified. You will know that they're talking to one of your prospects, or did the person sign up. All right, let me show you that. Okay, see right here it says someone has a new team member. This is what Digital Wealth Pros, they will send you an email when the person decides they're going to sign up, so you will know. And it also lists, which I'm covering up, the person's name and their email. Okay, so you will know this. So it won't be a question of in your mind. You don't have to worry about, well, are they really talking to my people? Are they following up? You know what I mean? You're going to get those emails, so don't worry about that. Now just know, because they are busy, they may call you back. It may take an hour or so, but just know they'll call you back. Be specific. My name is, tell them your name, give them your phone number, give them my ID, 442-896-34. Let them know you are ready to sign up. They will call you back. Now, the update is, if you take a look at this page, right, they have removed, okay, this is the company, the third-party company, okay, they have removed down here where they used to say expect a call from an 888 number, because as I said, Digital Wealth Pros has stated they're not going to necessarily be calling from an 800 number or an 88 number. It could be from anywhere in the world, in the U.S. Okay, so that is no longer here at the bottom. So just be on the lookout to receive a call from any area code that you don't recognize. Okay, so when they call you back, if you miss them, when you call them, just know they'll call you back, but it could be from any random area code, okay? Because they have the call center, people are from different parts of the world, okay? The support team, okay? So that's the new update. That has been removed. It may not be an 888 number, okay? May not be an 800 number. We don't know what number they may call you from, okay? So just be on the lookout for that call. All right, guys, so we're going to keep this short and sweet, but if you're ready to start earning these $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions, go to the link in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com, and also know that when you get started with me, I am going to pay for your first traffic campaign, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. That way you can start getting traction to your site, start getting leads of people coming to your website. Let me show you the capture page, by the way, real quick, that I'm using. They actually have 3, so let's check them out. This is the page I'm using. It's asking for the name and the email, and there's a video right here. Okay, that's one capture page. This is a third-party system, okay? This is not Digital Wealth Pro system, but this is the one I'm using. It's $19.99 a month. Let me show you the other 2. This one's the same page, but it's given the option to enter the phone number. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, and then we have this one as well. And what I say is actually just use different pages when you're running traffic, so you can kind of see which one converts the best, which one you can get the most leads out of, which one actually turns into sales. So you switch this stuff up, okay? And you use the other page, then you run traffic with this one. So you kind of switch them around, okay, when you're doing your marketing. But these are some great pages. And again, the link is in the description. Go check it out. If you want a page like mine, you can actually get that page for $19.95 a month. through this third-party company. All right, guys, so with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, till next time, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you guys on the next video.